puso sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting. Sa manlulupig, di ka pa sisiil. Sa dagat at bundok sisim. Sa langit mong bagha, may dilag ang tula at awit sa paglayang inaat. Ang kisap ng wataw at may tagong, kaya nagdilindig ang bituin na pamay na dilig. Lupa na karangaman, ating pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya ng pagmay mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Thank you very much, the UNC. Hi everyone, I'm Jojo Gumino. I'm the Director of Growth and Programs at Bicol, and I will be your ceremonies today. Now, if I could, please request for Dr. Faye Leah Patria, M. Loria, UNC President, to come to the podium for opening remarks.
To our Ms. Pinky Nepomuceno of the Department of Information and Communication Technology, and to our friend, Camarines Sur Provincial Director J. Percival S. Ablan, and we are so happy of his promotion. Camarines Sur Provincial Director for Science and Technology, Patrocinio Felizmenio, hope he's here already. And to the representatives of our bigger, Honorable Nelson Legacion, Naga City Mayor, and I think he's ably represented this morning. Harong Katuod Naga or HaKa Naga, Founding President, Mr. Joselito Ocol. Reverse, delete. Ronald Bong Rodriguez. Can you please rise and let's give him a big round of applause. To be called TBI Executive Director, Mr. Joselito Ocol. Are you? To my fellow education leaders who are here this morning, Father Robert Rivera, the President of LGU Naga University, had informed us that he had been on leave assignment elsewhere, I think in the outside of the country, and I'm not sure if he's back already. But he is represented this morning by Engineer Riven Mercado. Riven? Hi, Riven. Our neighbor, Dr. Mario Villanueva of Naga College Foundation, is ably Manansala. Hi, Riven. Dr. Raul Bradley from Partido presented this morning by Larissa Maladan. And of course, we are welcoming back, and this is in fact her official as officer in charge, president of Camarines Sur Polytechnic College, soon to be a university, President Dulce Atchan. The team, the UNC Center for Environment, Entrepreneurship, and Livelihood Innovation, technology business Nico, Madam Nora, Jason, and Dean Teen, who are all standing there, and the UNC leadership team. The UNC leadership team is in full force this morning. To the faculty, to our students, good morning. Historical gathering is geared towards the promotion of innovation and entrepreneurship. It is my honor and privilege to host this MOU signing on innovations, convergence of Intrepid Camarines Sur, or IConICS. And I am very, very happy to welcome you all back to UNC, my friends. Before the pandemic, we used to gather here in UNC at the Office of the President every January. Nothing official, but just, to keep in touch with each other and get updated with one another. And most of all, renew friendships. And so today we come together and use this occasion to get updated and keep in touch. For this morning, I would like to share with you two thoughts. First, today is to seal our formal collaboration and commitment to bring our universities and colleges not just closer to one another, but closer to the communities through generation of ideas, to give birth to startups, and will already be a fulfilled mission if we impact on Camarines Sur and Naga City's economy, even just a ripple. Our signatures are not just going to be on paper, but it should be seen, heard, and felt through the actions. The late Dr. Dong Mahibu, one of my former consultants, said, any collaboration is sparked and sustained by friendship. It's not what we gain from each other, but what we give to one another. My dear fellow presidents and your representatives, this is indeed very true. Great marriages are built on friendships and great partnerships. Let our collaboration not just be good, but great. Build on innovations, but most of all, build on friendships. My second thought is coming from Christopher Lockhead, author of the book Reach Down. I'm just in chapter 3, and so you can just imagine what the next chapter of this book has in store. Chapter 3 is titled, Be Known for One Thing You Can Own. Be good, be great, be unique, and live a legacy. And so for this morning, this is what I would like to live with you. While we work together, we should also aim to work differently. By doing so, moving towards a commonality, working together as a team, but finding for every PI today, our will be bigger than our individual parts. With this, I say let's walk and work together, for indeed life is a long river. God bless, and thank you very much for joining us this morning.
Inspirational message. Again, I'm JoJo. I'm Leader Master of Ceremonies today.
Bicol, MG News, Representative Lee, MJ.
Aside from that, I can call
On
the representative
to join up here in this evening for the MOU signing, that would be Ms. Pinky Labunosenio, Provincial Director for DICT. Welcome. Also from DTI, Provincial Director Provincial Director J. Percival S. Abla. Please also join me here on this in the table there. Also from the DOST, Provincial Director of Camarines Sur, Ma'am Patrocinio Felizmino. Thank you for being here. Also, Sir Ronald Rodriguez, the President of HaKa. Thank you again for being here as well. Maybe also call on the representative from the Naga LGU, represented here by Sir PJ Legaspi from the Investments Board. Okay. Welcome. Also, Executive Director for Bicol TBI, Sir Rosalino Ogo. Also go ahead and have a seat. And of course, Dr. Faye from UNC. Welcome. Thank you for having us as the host school for this event. And then from ADNU, the representative would be Engineer Radman Mercado. Thank you. From Naga College Foundation, Mr. Joseph Manansala, representing Sir Mario. Thank you for being here. From Partido State University, Dr. Marisa Baladan, representing the Partido State TBI. Thank you for being here as well. As well as Dr. Dulce Achan, the President of CSBC, Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges. Thank you for being here as well. Okay, now that we have that out of the way, let's go with the messages of support, starting with Ms. Pinky from DICT, message of support for the IConICS Technical Working Group.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, I'd like to congratulate the IConICS, or to be more specific, the Intrepid Convergence. Convergence of Intrepid Camarines Sur. And I'd like to greet first President Payne Patria Loria of UNC, President Dulce Achan of CSBC. I'd like to also acknowledge Mother Rivera, represented by Sir Raimi Mercado of Ateneo de Naga University, and Sir Mario Villanueva, represented by Sir Joseph Manansala of Naga College Foundation, Dr. Nirisa Paladan, Martin
Sur because my know it, but in Camarines Sur
was selected as the startup cities, and Iligan also selected as one of the digital cities. The 25 digital cities which will receive various interventions from both the government and the private sector. It's standing as one of the next wave cities in the Philippines. So we value the contribution, especially of the HaKa team, since we recognize that the sense of entrepreneurship should start early among the younger generation. So dahil dyan po, DICT has already been conducting the Philippine Startup Challenge. This is a competition for startup teams belonging to the senior high school as well as the collegiate level. So we are already accepting entries. So we are very glad that we were invited here because this will be an opportunity for us to invite the HaKa team to join our mentors bootcamp because once a coach has joined the mentors bootcamp, any school who will be filming a team for the Philippine Startup Challenge will already be qualified because one of the requirements is to have a coach that have undergone the mentors bootcamp. So we will be supporting this initiative of the IConICS as well as future initiatives. So thank you very much and good luck to us all. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Pinky. Now can I call upon Provincial Director of Camarines Sur, DTI, PDJ Percival S. Avila.
Good morning, everyone. To the different collaborators, partners in this project, from the academy, from the government side, and of course from the public sector, of course to everyone. Oh, by the way, I would like to give first my respect to the host of the project, of course, Dr. Faye Noraya, who is a good friend of mine, and not only a good friend of mine, but of the whole DTI Region 5. Because of the different projects we had way back when she was still the PU president. Okay. So, I would like to thank the different collaborators and partners for involving DTI in this project. You know, whenever there is entrepreneurship in a project, we always would like to be a part of that. Kasi that's part of our advocacy, that's part of our mandate as the partner of training industry. And talking about entrepreneurship, it will involve innovation, startup, digitalization, and lately creative industry. Correct? So, FYI, recently the law has been approved. RA 11904, that is the creative industry law, wherein the one spearheading is the Department of Trade Industry. And the one assigned to be the regional champion for Bicol is yours truly. So, I believe this project will involve startup, both of the ICT and creative industry. So, be assured of the support of DTI Council. And then, I would like also to emphasize that, assisting the creative industry, as well as the ICT industry, has been quite, something unique experience. Because I've been in the DTI for 24 years. Always our clients are involved in the manufacturing processing. And the assistance would always be involving product development, trade fair, market matching, but assisting the ICT and the creative industry would be a different thing. It's a different world. It would entail a different intervention. And this intervention are well explained and stipulated under Republic Act na 11904. There will be a lot of intervention and support coming from the government, especially coming from the Department of Training Industry. Yung one thing na, I don't know, I find it absurd. There's a voucher to be supported to the creative industry. It's like 4 piece. But you know what? There must be a good reason why it's part of the intervention. There's really a holistic and very varied intervention when it comes to growing and developing the creative industry. So, in closing, I would like to emphasize that whenever we commit as a Department of Training Industry, we deliver. So be assured of our 100% support. Thank you.
Thank you so much, PJ. Now, can I call upon Engineer Ernesto A. Reyes Jr., representing Ms. Pat from the DOST.
Yes, good morning. On behalf of my boss, who's equally important, Asian, medyo na hatakak po akong bigyan. So, on the part of the West, Asian is more on TDIs and background. So, we will support and the support of the West is will support this program and other projects that we
Thank you very much, Engineer Ernesto. Now, if I could call upon the President of HaKa, Sir Ronald Bong Rodriguez, for a message of support.
Thank you, Joe. Good morning, everyone. To the distinguished members of the presidential table here and also all the participants in today's event. It's good to be back here in UNC. The last time I was here was on May 6, 2022, when I was still Regional Campaign Manager of Vice President Lenny Robredo. And we started the One People's March, which gathered 300,000 people. And it started here in UNC. So salamat po sa UNC. So I'd like to highlight one important thing why I am particularly supportive of this initiative, aside from our institutional support to the initiative as HaKa Naga. I came back here in Naga during the pandemic just to hide from COVID, but ended up staying here because we're doing a lot of beautiful initiatives that keep me from going back to Manila. But in what we do, we emphasize three things that we wanted to create so that we could make economic inclusion matter in the Bicol region. By that, we created what we call the Economic Inclusion Triangle. And in that Economic Inclusion Triangle, what's on top is HaKa Naga, because we're pushing for the creation of an ecosystem, of a tech startup ecosystem that will impart the culture of innovation that we need so that Naga will even succeed more. The second is cooperativism, and the third is, of course, support for MSMEs. With this triangle, HaKa Naga is very much involved already, say for instance, in organizing the first Bicol Cooperative Congress, which will happen on October 2021 here in Naga, because we wanted more people to get involved, to understand, to appreciate, and to take active part in cooperativism. In MSMEs, we have a partnership with the DTI in what we call House of Bicol. House of Bicol, in partnership with other cooperatives in HaKa Naga, essentially supports the MSMEs in terms of branding, in terms of marketing, and in terms of positioning the best Bicol products, not just for the local market, but for the global market. And lastly, of course, HaKa Naga as a tech startup itself. And this is why I'm particularly impressed with what we're doing now, because in order for that initiative to succeed, we need the word sustainability. And for this to be sustainable, we need schools, we need initiatives from the universities and colleges to be involved in activities like this. Yan lang po. Maraming salamat and congratulations.
Thank you, Sir Bong. And last but certainly not least, I'd like to call on Sir PJ Legaspi as the representative from the Naga LGU for a message of support.
Thank you, Jojo. I'll do away with the individual acknowledgements, but let me acknowledge all our partners who are here with us today. To all our education leaders representing the 5 colleges and universities, Partido State University, Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, Naga College Foundation, Ateneo de Naga University, and University of Nueva Cáceres for spearheading this one-of-its-kind collaboration. To all our steadfast partners in the startup ecosystem, HaKa Naga, Bicol TBI, to all our fellow public servants and committed government leaders, DTI, DICT, DOST, and NEDA, on behalf of our Naga City Mayor, Honorable Nelson S. Legacion, we would like to extend our utmost congratulations and strong support in the innovation convergence of Intrepid Camarines Sur, or IConICS. This event, this memorandum of agreement signing is a sight to behold. We are grateful that we have come so far in developing the startup ecosystem in Naga City and the Bicol region. We are grateful for the usual support of the academe because we believe this is where innovation begins. It's where great education leaders and professors who mold students to be great innovators that will shape the future of the city and the Bicol region. In the Naga City government, please expect our usual support in developing the startup and innovation ecosystem. Just like to inform you that we have the Naga City strategic planning, and we have 7 strategies to support this startup ecosystem development. We have talent development, incubation, community awareness, startup community organization, funding, incentives, and most importantly, collaboration. All these 7 strategies were created in partnership with all of the collaborators that we have here today. So it's so great to see familiar faces who are always so supportive and who owns this wonderful initiative to develop innovation. So I would like to express how important collaboration, the last strategy that we have. I think a lot of the progress we have made for the startup development came because we have strong partners, strong leaders who are committed for innovation in the Philippines. And through that, all of these activities, all these programs that we are hoping for the startup ecosystem is now being realized. Rest assured that the city government of Naga, through the Naga City Investment Board, which I am representing, will provide all the usual support, especially for the academe, in making sure that all our young innovators, our students in the academe, will never have any hardships in pushing for their wonderful ideas, the innovation that they have in mind, the funding, the support, and all the ecosystem combined. I think this will make a perfect formula in developing future startup founders, future CEOs, and future innovators of the Bicol region. So with that, thank you so much again for this opportunity, and rest assured that Naga City government is always here to support. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir PJ. And now if I could call on the UNC TBI Director and CBA faculty, Mr. Jason Bonaga, for the rationale of the project.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you for all coming here today. Today, I am thrilled to share with you an initiative that fills me with pride the Innovations Convergence of Intrepid Camarines Sur. This endeavor highlights our recognition of the crucial role that collaboration and knowledge sharing play in enhancing our capabilities and competencies in running technology business incubators. Through the establishment of a technical working group, we aim to exchange information and best practices, fostering mutual understanding, cooperation, and collaboration among all participants. As a member of IConICS, I am honored to be part of this collective effort. The TBWG assumes a multifaceted and indispensable role in achieving the objectives of IConICS. Firstly, it provides us with a platform to exchange information on new technologies, emerging trends, and best practices within our respective fields of expertise. This knowledge exchange ensures that we remain up to date with the latest advancements, enabling us to remain at the forefront of innovation. Additionally, IConICS serves as a catalyst for identifying opportunities for collaboration and cooperation. By sharing our insights and experiences, we can uncover areas where our strengths align, leading to synergistic partnerships. This collaborative approach allows us to maximize our resources and expertise, resulting in more efficient and effective outcomes for the startup ecosystem in the region, particularly with the academe-based TBIs. Moreover, IConICS will play a pivotal role in the development of joint projects, initiatives, and programs. Through the pooling of our efforts and leveraging of our collective knowledge, we can undertake ambitious endeavors that would be challenging to accomplish individually. These collaborative ventures not only enhance our capabilities, but also drive innovation and progress in our respective region. Lastly, IConICS fosters mutual understanding, respect, and cooperation among all participants. By coming together and working towards a common purpose, we will build stronger relationships and create a supportive network. This group not only benefits us as individual parties, but also contributes to the overall growth and development of the startup ecosystem in the Camarines Sur, with a particular focus on higher education institutions and the academe-based TBIs. Together as a group, we envision that this TWG, established through IConICS, will serve as a model for others to emulate. By documenting and sharing the best practices we develop and discover, we aim to usher in guidance and inspire innovation that it can influence others. Moreover, we strive to create a nurturing environment of diversity, equity, and inclusion, cultivating future-ready impact leaders. Through our collective efforts, we aim to bring about in sustainable business paradigms that can respond to the changing times and market dynamics. Through the halls of UNC, to just a couple of ideas being passed around, walking around the halls of Bain, and just chatting with Ateneo, NCF, Bicol, and UNC. We are so proud that this idea was able to come out of these late night talks, and we'd like to share with you and thank you for being here. And this day, we would like to present to you who we are. Together, we are now known as the Innovations Convergence of Intrepid Camarines Sur. Thank you.
And now for the MOU signing proper. So if you could, go ahead and grab your pens and please ceremonially sign the Memorandum of Understanding for IConICS, the Innovations Convergence of Intrepid Camarines Sur. If you'd like to take photos or video of them signing, feel free to do so. Thank you. Okay. Congratulations for signing the MOU. And on to expressions of commitment from the signees. If I could call Joselito Ocol, Executive Director from Bicol TBI, for his expression of commitment.
Good morning, everyone. We, Bicol TBI, hereby express our unwavering commitment to the IConICS TWG and its mission. The lack of organized support system in our region has served as a profound inspiration for us to establish and empower entrepreneurs and startups in the Bicol region. Bicol, which means Bicol Entrepreneurship and Empowerment Center for Accelerating Local Livelihood, serves as a technology business incubator dedicated to fostering inclusive and long-term growth for Bicolano entrepreneurs and startups. Our core value revolves around harnessing technology, driving innovation, and cultivating proactive entrepreneurship within our community. We firmly believe that collaboration and partnerships are essential for achieving sustainable and meaningful impact. Therefore, we are eager to forge a strong alliance with the IConICS Technical Working Group as we share common vision of empowering entrepreneurs and driving economic growth. By joining forces, we can leverage our respective strengths and resources to amplify our collective efforts and make a tangible difference in the lives of Bicolano entrepreneurs. Through our collaboration, we pledge to contribute our expertise, resources, and unwavering support to the IConICS TWG. We will actively engage in knowledge sharing, mentorship, capacity building, and any other initiative that aligns with our shared objective. We are committed to fostering an environment of innovation, resilience, and sustainable growth for entrepreneurs in our region. And we believe that our partnership with IConICS TWG will play a pivotal role in realizing this vision. Together, we will work towards establishing a robust support system for entrepreneurs and startups, enabling them to thrive in an increasingly competitive landscape. By leveraging technology, embracing proactive entrepreneurship, we aim to create opportunities, generate employment, and drive economic prosperity in the Bicol region. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sir June. Can I also call upon Dr. Faye Loraya, UNC President, for the expression of commitment from the University of Nueva Cáceres.
First love never dies. And that's what my message is. When I was recruited in Bicol University, I was recruited as a teacher to handle the entrepreneurship program. And Jay is correct. And thereon, I did a lot about entrepreneurship in Bicol University, and secret lang of the record, the curriculum of Ateneo was gotten from Bicol University Entrepreneurship because BU was the pioneer in entrepreneurship program. So it's okay, di ba? Spreading, collaborating. But to cut the story short, I'm coming full circle. After my presidency in BU, I went to CHED, and the biggest project that we funded was to establish 15 technopreneurship centers all over the country with a funding of about 14 to 15 million each of this technopreneurship. Nakasalang na sana to provide the Bicol leg, and that was supposed to be Ateneo proposal. And doon ko na siya naiwan. But if you can just imagine Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, all of these center for technopreneurship, are not just about embedding the program into the curriculum, but indeed creating the ecosystem. And that ecosystem, we are not just going to build because there are already seeds that have been planted, but together with what we have signed on. And therefore, hindi lang po yung leadership ang nandito. We also have Madam Nora, the current officer in charge of the College of Business and Accountancy. Madam Nora, please rise. And we have Maribel, our assistant dean, to make sure that they will be working very, very closely with our College of Engineering and Architecture. Although she's on staff deb, pursuing her PhD in Batangas State University, Tin is here, truly inspired and ready to hit the ground running. So congratulations. I also would like to say thank you very much, DICT. They are actually behind the hosting. They're going to give us the food and everything else. Maraming salamat. And so, don't just count us in. UNC is going to be with you all the way. Hep hep.
Thank you, Dr. Fay. Now, for the expression of commitment from Ateneo de Naga University, may I call on Engineer Riven Mercado from Magis TBI.
Hello, to my dear fellow members of the IConICS, to the HEI presidents and their representatives, to the representatives of different government agencies, to Naga HaKa, good morning. On behalf of Ateneo de Naga University, I stand before you today to express our utmost commitment to this collaborative endeavor. As TBI manager, I witnessed firsthand the power of collaboration, partnership, and the transformative impact it has or it can have in a community. I would like to convey the apologies of our Father President, who deeply regrets his absence from this momentous occasion. However, please be assured that his commitment to fostering innovation and collaboration is strongly with our institution's values. Ateneo de Naga University remains steadfast in this dedication to this collaboration. We wholeheartedly embrace this opportunity to work alongside esteemed institutions such as yours, as we collectively strive to enhance capabilities and competencies in the region. We pledge as a university to actively participate in the technical working group. We will share our expertise, our best practices, and seek opportunities for joint collaboration and projects. We are ready to invest our time and effort to ensure the success of the technical working group. So together, let us forge a path to foster innovation, entrepreneurship, knowledge exchange that empowers individuals and uplifts our local communities. We are very confident in the IConICS that as a collective, with our collective strength, we can see a brighter future for Bicol. So thank you for the trust, the partnership, and this unwavering commitment to this endeavor. So as we move forward, we see a thriving and innovative Bicol. Thank you.
Thank you, Engineer. Now, can I call upon Mr. Joseph Manansala from the Technology Resource Center for the expression of commitment from Naga College Foundation.
Good morning, everyone. So today I stand before you representing the Naga College Foundation, and on behalf of our President, Sir Mario Villanueva, I am proud to announce our commitment to join the Innovation, Convergence, and Intrepid Camarines Sur, or IConICS. It is with great dedication that we embrace this opportunity to be part of shaping a future driven by innovation and progress. At Naga College Foundation, we believe that innovation is the key to unlocking the full potential of our community. We understand that by converging our efforts and collaborating with stakeholders from various sectors, we can create a powerful ecosystem that fosters groundbreaking ideas, nurtures talent, and drives sustainable development. To fulfill this commitment, we pledge to actively engage with industry leaders, government agencies, local businesses, and the wider community. By forging strong partnerships and establishing collaborative platforms, we will create opportunities for knowledge sharing, idea exchange, and collective problem solving. We recognize the importance of investing in cutting-edge infrastructure and advanced technologies. Therefore, we will work tirelessly to enhance our facilities, laboratories, and research centers, ensuring they are equipped with the latest tools and resources necessary to drive innovation forward. Diversity and inclusively will remain at the heart of our innovation convergence efforts. We recognize that true innovation thrives in an environment that embraces different perspectives, experiences, and backgrounds. Therefore, we will actively promote diversity, ensuring that all voices are heard and valued. By doing so, we will tap into the full range of talent and unlock the creativity that emerges from our diverse community. In closing, let us join hands and embark on this exciting journey together. The Naga College Foundation is committed to playing an active role in the innovation convergence of Intrepid Camarines Sur by collaborating, investing, and empowering our community. We can create a future that is characterized by progress, prosperity, and inclusive growth. Thank you, and let us forge ahead into a future of innovation and limitless possibilities. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Joseph. Now, can I call upon Dr. Narisa Paladan from Partido TBI for the expression of commitment from Partido State University.
Okay, good morning, everyone. I'll do away with recognizing everyone. So, on behalf of our President, Dr. Bradesina, he wants to extend his gratitude for inviting PSU in this endeavor. He also supports and he is committed in this initiative of IConICS that foster collaboration, innovation, and knowledge sharing among educational institutions and industry leaders. We in PARSU, we are also one with the advocacy in creating dynamic ecosystem in Camarines Sur that promotes entrepreneurship, research, and technological advancement. And again, thank you for inviting us in this endeavor, and we look forward in this collaboration. Thank you.
Thank you, Doc. Now on to the expression of commitment from Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, from the President of CSPC, Dr. Dulce Achan.
How could I ever forget July 10, when this marks a red letter day for me, starting as OIC again of Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges. Truly, I'm in love because I was not able to say no despite my long love letter to Com Aldrin on Messenger, sent on Messenger. Sabi niya, no, you will be the OIC. And what a happy feeling to be reunited with familiar faces. Let's give that a big round of applause. Parang ito na atang pa-welcome sa akin na. Ma'am Faye is really close to my heart. That's my idol president. And you would note that during my incumbency, ganun din kami kasi I saw that from Ma'am Faye. So UNC is very fortunate to have a very driven leader as your university president. Okay, so you are truly blessed. And of course, as host university of the launching program for our partnership. That's why I was looking, tingnan nyo naman to on my right and left, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-back out. Nagkaharapan ang magigilas ng Camarines Sur. Okay, and listening from the many speeches, because I'm now the last, having been on hiatus for 4 years, now that I have rejoined you with this reintegration, I could not stop feeling the excitement and the zeal of commitment that I bring to you all in behalf of Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges. Please pray that I will be able to convince the upcoming 6th president, and perhaps that will happen in the next 3 months waiting lang tayo dyan. We will now have a new president. But I could not dispense last night. I have to Google. Siyempre, hiatus tayo. And I was so excited saying, what will I expect from that program? Especially, sabi ni Ma'am Faye, see you. Sino bang makakareklamo? This is my first day. Supposedly, I would be meeting my top-notch officials. But with that, see you, I have to be here. Anyway, allow me to greet. I really feel so good. I'm in cloud 9 and so in love with this newfound relationship we have with all our partners organization. But of course, with this prime program again in CamSur, listening from the many speeches, I could not imagine that finally, that conceptual framework that Ma'am Faye actually started in Bicol University, which he continued with Commission on Higher Education, and now here at UNC as host university, will come into fruition. We cannot really put aside the role of entrepreneurship. And in a volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous world, we need to converge. And bringing together the many different ideas, concepts, materials, technologies, we will be able to create novel and useful pathway for Camarines Sur with major support of our respectable government agencies. Andyan na sila. And of course, the academy. It's so nice you have recognized how big the role the universities can contribute to this convergence program. In fact, I would like to read this note that indeed the future is faster than we think. That's according to Diamandis and Kotler. And according to them, it is only in converging ourselves that will accelerate the unprecedented pace. As new digital technologies progress, and I took note of Ma'am Pinky on that, Business and entrepreneurs must understand the key forces that are converging to drive the evolution and construction of a new technological future. And parallel to that, with changing trends and technology, the education system of which these institutions have been called for will evolve from a traditional to a modernized, sustained education system, bringing into the fore the role of challenging changes. The ability to make use of new and future technologies is an important competitive advantage and crucial in a world of globally competitive market. The development of entrepreneurial as well as intrapreneurial competencies is becoming increasingly important, which can be developed in a dynamic innovation ecosystem where HEIs in Camarines Sur can work together. With all this initiative, CSPC will be in the forefront working with you all. Wala ba diyang kamay na pumalakpak? O yan. So I am truly excited and you are assured that I am here. VP Tess Salazar, please rise, Ma'am Tess. Yan. And of course, our focal person in this project, Ma'am Cherilyn Odsinada. Okay. Of course, to remind me now and then of meetings, our board secretary vis-a-vis my executive assistant to ensure that every time a meeting is called for, yan, we will be of attendance. So thank you all for this opportunity and thank you for making my first day as OIC truly memorable. To God be all the glory.
Thank you, Dr. Dulce, for that inspirational expression of commitment. Surely, with all of the expressions of commitment from our academe, IConICS working group will really push for entrepreneurship for the students of the Bicol region. Now, for the closing remarks, as we've come to the end of the program, I'd like to call on Engineer Ryvan Mercado from Ateneo de Naga University's Magis TBI.
Hello ulit. So, una sa lahat, no, it's kind of funny to think that we started this with just conversations. Naalala ko noon with the initiative of the LGU, nasa TFTA kami, nasa Camp Greens Rock kami. And then, napag-usapan lang doon. At that time, UNC and NCF. And then, parang sabi namin, let's try to create a consortium. And CSPC, yeah, yun. Kasi nandun siya sa katabi ko eh. Yeah, so it's just funny to think that it all started with an initiative from the LGU, conversations. Then yung sabi nga ni Jason na late night, nami-meet kami dito mga 6 p.m. So again, thank you sa UNC for hosting our meetings. Dito kami nagmi-meet sa kanila eh. So I'm very happy that we arrived at this time, at this juncture where we meet and network with a lot of people and the support that we are receiving from everyone, it's truly heartwarming. So let me just read my closing script. So as we conclude this momentous event, let us carry the spirit of innovation, collaboration, and shared commitment. The signing of this MOU symbolizes the unity among our esteemed institution, reaffirming our dedication to the growth and development of Bicol. We extend our gratitude to the presidents, the representatives, and the representatives of the agencies of government, to Naga HaKa, especially doon po sa ating mga sponsors for DICT, for the collaterals, for the tarps. Ang gaganda po. Thank you very much, Sir PD Ablan sa aming ano. And then for the food, syempre, DICT. Thank you po sa masarap na caterer. Yan. And then, of course, UNC for hosting this event. Ang ganda po ng... Wala po kaming ganyan eh. So, yeah, so thank you very much. Your presence and commitment reflect the collective determination to create a thriving ecosystem of knowledge exchange, entrepreneurship, and sustainable development. So may this collaboration serve as a catalyst for transformative change. Let us continue to nurture this partnership, harnessing our collective strengths and making impacts in the lives of the people we serve, which are, of course, our community. So thank you again for your active participation and unwavering dedication. Together, we will chart a path of progress and innovation, shaping a brighter future for Bicol. So best wishes to all and happy lunch.
And with that, we will officially be closing the program proper. And as you see, lunch is being served as we speak. If the representatives from the MOU signing could please stay up for a photo opportunity. Now's the time to take photos, and then we can break for lunch. Thank you very much. And with that, I'd like to introduce again the University of Nueva Cáceres Glee Club to entertain you while you enjoy your lunch.
Baba.